He's very disappointed. As you can imagine, he's very disappointed by the outcome.
Fresno's former deputy police chief leaves federal court disappointed because he did not get a new trial, and his next stop is federal prison. The man who was second in command of Fresno's police department is not getting an acquittal or a new trial on drug trafficking charges.
Former Deputy Police Chief Keith Foster was back in federal court today, hoping to get another chance to clear his name. But as Action News reporter Gene Hagenson tells us, the judge was not swayed by the arguments made by Foster's attorney.
Surrounded by an entourage of friends and family, Keith Foster left the federal courthouse in downtown Fresno without much hope of avoiding prison. His attorney, Michael McNeely, tried to argue that Foster's conviction last May on conspiracy to traffic in heroin and marijuana was flawed and should be thrown out or retried.
The judge didn't seem to go along with anything you argued.
Not at all. Not a thing. And, you know, we're in a tough situation because we're asking the court to revisit decisions that were made by the jury after a verdict.
McNeely says he will appeal because he still believes there wasn't enough evidence to bring the case to trial in the first place. In arguments before Judge Anthony Ishii, he blamed federal agents, Foster's original attorney, and the Fresno Bee for Foster's conviction. He also argued Foster was unfairly treated because he was Fresno's deputy police chief when he committed the crimes.
I think the court and the prosecution relied on the fact that he was a police officer to try and imply that somehow he would know more or was held to a different standard.
Keith Foster's attorney basically threw up all kinds of reasons as to why the case should be thrown out or he should get a new trial, but Judge Ishii wasn't buying any of it. Sentencing is now set for November 13th. Foster's recommended sentences between 6.5 and 8 years in federal prison. At the federal courthouse in downtown Fresno, Gene Hagenson, ABC 30 Action News.